Good morning, my name is Massimo Castellari. I'm a researcher at IRTA and my presentation deals with the implementation of the Process Analytical Technology in the food processes and with the MUSE-Tech project. My presentation is divided in two parts. In the first part I will explain briefly what PAT is, and in the second part I will give a quick overview of the MUSE-Tech project. Process Analytical Technology, PAT, has been defined as a mechanism to design, analyze, and control the manufacturing processes through the timely measurement of critical process parameters which affect the critical quality attributes of the final product. This is a fine definition given by FDA several years ago, but what is the meaning of CCP and CQA? A critical quality attribute is a physical, chemical, or microbiological property of the in-process raw material or final product that must be quantified and controlled within predefined limits to ensure that it meets all the required safety and quality parameters. For example, sugar content, moisture level, pH, color, texture, microbiological parameters, and so on. A critical process parameter is a process parameter with an high impact on CQAs that must be controlled within predefined limits to ensure that product meets its predefined attributes. For example, temperature-time combination, pH, cooling rate, rotation speed, dissolved oxygen, and so on. But which is the practical impact of PAT on the food industry? One of the main objectives for the food industry is to achieve a desired end product quality in a cost-effective, traceable, and environmentally responsible way. PAT is about the change from feedback process control, where the product is tested after processing, to model predictive quality by design process control, where the larger variations in raw materials are compensated for by process adjustment during manufacturing to ensure a consistent and defined level of quality in the final product, reducing at the same time overprocessing wastes and overall costs. So the new paradigm is to move from control strategies based on testing and inspection at the end of the process to risk-based control strategy based on dynamically adjustable processes. So what do we need to implement a PAT strategy in the food industry? First of all, we need a good understanding of our process. That is, we need to know the critical quality attributes and the critical process parameters. Then we need to adjust the CCP levels in real time. That means we need multivariate analysis tools to model our process and to predict the quality attributes of the final product while raw materials are still in process. And finally, we need to gather data of the ongoing process in real time. So we need fast process analyzers and sensors. And the practical implementation of PAT in the food industry is the focus of the MUSE-Tech project, whose full title is Multi-Sensor Technology for Management of Food Processes. This project is a large-scale collaborative project funded by the European Commission in the framework of the FP7. The project involves 12 partners from 6 European countries, and in the consortium we can find 6 research and technology developers, 4 small-medium enterprises, 1 association, and 1 industrial partner. The basic concept of the MUSE-Tech project is to support the implementation of process analytical technology in the food industry through the development of a multi-sensor device integrating 3 online sensing technologies, data fusion and chemometric techniques, food processing predictive models, and decision-making software. The first sensing technology implemented in the project is the visible NER spectroscopy. We know that the NER region spans the wavelength range from 780 to 2500 nanometer, where spectra contain abundant information reflecting the structure of molecules, as well as attributes as firmness, granularity, etc. In the MUSE-Tech project, multi-channel detector technology is combined with a piezoelectric actuated tunable Fabry-Perot filter, patented by VTT, to get the highest possible measurement speed in the visible NER range. The second sensing technology integrated in the project is the photoacoustic spectroscopy, which is based on the measurement of the effect of absorbed light on matter by means of acoustic detection. If a gas is irradiated by a modulated laser light, the gas molecules absorb the light energy and convert it into an acoustic signal, correlated with the composition of the gas phase, which can be detected by a microphone. Gasera developed a differential micro-PA cell based on cantilever photoacoustic technology for the sensing of ultra-low gas concentration with very wide dynamic range. In comparison to conventional gas phase FTR, a significantly smaller sample set can be used, ideal for compact, portable, and handheld instruments. And finally, the third sensing technology integrated in the project is the distributed temperature sensing, which is an optoelectronic device which measures temperatures by means of optical fibers functioning as linear sensors. Temperatures are recorded along the optical sensor cable as a continuous profile. ICFO developed proprietary techniques which enable achieving high stability even under harsh conditions. In this slide, we can see the global concept and the relationship between our project and the PAT. In the MUSE-Tech project, the three sensors are integrated in a multisensory device, which also includes chemometric tools and user interface software. 3 MSD prototypes have been fabricated for 3 case studies, namely bread, potato chips, and beer production. Each MSD may monitor in real time several critical quality attributes from in-process raw material of the specific target case study. The information obtained by the sensor are used to predict the final quality of the products and to adjust the critical process parameter to ensure a desired and consistent level of quality at the end of the processes, following the principle of the PAT strategy. The project foresees the implementation of the MSD at pilot plant level, but also demonstration activity at the industrial level to demonstrate that the MSD can work in an harsh environment. If you are interested to know more about the MUSE-Tech project, this is our website and my email. And this is the MUSE-Tech team. Thank you very much for our attention.